single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Diary of TB. My name is Tia. If you like the video, you could like the video. If you don't like the video, you could please like the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel YouTube saya Diary of TB. Nama saya Tia. Apabila kalian menyukai video ini, silahkan di like. Apabila tidak menyukai, silahkan di dislike. Mohon di share, di komen, dan di subscribe. Bagi kalian yang baru di channel saya, selamat datang. Selamat menikmati video-video saya. Jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bagi kalian yang sudah sering nonton video saya, selamat datang kembali. Tapi bagi kalian yang belum subscribe, tolong subscribe ya guys, karena subscribe itu gratis loh. Dan bagi kalian yang sudah subscribe, terima kasih atas dukungannya. If you are new in my channel, welcome to my channel. Enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you already been in my channel, welcome back. But if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe is free guys. And for you who already subscribe my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Disclaimer, this is a general reading. It also fun reading, so it could about your energy, or it could about your person energy, or vice versa, because energy is interchangeable. And in here I collected several random energy from different people, so it could resonate with you or it may not. If it's not resonate, please check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus sign, and just take out resonate. And in here I don't read card in reverse. I only take the card when I shuffle the deck. There will be a jumping card. That's the card that I'm going to be take to be read. Oke, bacaan ini sifatnya umum dan sifatnya hanya untuk seru-seruan aja. Bisa energi kamu yang terbaca oleh saya, atau bisa juga energi orang yang sedang dekat dengan kamu yang terbaca oleh saya, atau vice versa, karena energi itu sifatnya terbolak dan terbalik. Saya di sini menarik energi dari beberapa orang berbeda secara acak. Jadi bacaan ini bisa nyambung sama kamu, bisa juga enggak. Apabila bacaan ini enggak nyambung sama kamu, tolong cek sun, moon, rising, dan Venus kalian. Dan bacaan ini bisa disesuaikan saja dengan situasi yang ada di kamu ya. Oke. Saya di sini tidak baca kartu terbalik, dan saya hanya ambil kartu saat saya kocok kartunya. Ada kartu yang lompat, maka kartu itulah yang akan saya ambil untuk saya bacakan. Oke, saya bikin Virgo love reading, dan saya akan bikin Libra love reading, tapi saya akan grounding dulu ya energinya. Oke. Oke, Libra, bottom of deck is King of Cups. Holy God. Bentar. Okay, hold on ya. Hold on, y'all. Okay. You got two suitor here. Ada nggak sih kurang ya? Bentar. Gimana nih caranya? Gini. Okay. First card. You got 5 of Pentacles. Well, Libra, seems like you have a problem. Maybe this is about financial issue, but this issue reflected or affected on your personal relationship with your partner. Maybe your partner suddenly left you, leave you, fell left out in the cold, something maybe because you suddenly broke, you suddenly don't have money, and your partner cannot accept that. That's why they left you, maybe, and you feel like being torn apart of it, maybe. Di sini kartu pertama ada Five of Pentacles. Kayaknya kamu ada masalah dengan keuangan, dan masalah keuangan ini berimbas kepada masalah hubungan kamu dengan pasangan kamu. Mungkin pasangan kamu nggak terima nih, tiba-tiba kamu nggak punya uang, tiba-tiba kamu bangkrut, tiba-tiba kamu di PHK. Dia nggak terima, dia nggak bisa handle ya, dia nggak bisa mengendalikan semuanya. Lantas dia pergi ninggal kamu gitu aja, dan itu membuat kamu tuh hancur ya, karena kamu nggak nyangka pasangan kamu segitu mudahnya dia ninggalin kamu hanya karena kamu nggak punya uang. Segitu mudahnya pasangan kamu ninggalin kamu justru di saat kamu lagi hancur secara keuangan. Kamu nggak nyangka itu terjadi, dan itu membuat kamu hancur, membuat kamu kecewa. Oke? Jadi kamu tuh ya, sedih lah gitu bawaannya ya. Ya, oke. Second card is Four of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe your partner. Maybe your partner feel like, I don't know, I heard meowing. A cat like meow. Maybe your partner in here have some kind like obsession with money. That's why they left you out, or if it's about you, maybe you have obsession with something. Maybe you have obsession with your partner. You try to hold them back, or maybe you're the one who try to hold your back for doing something that you should have to do. I don't know. Just take out or resonate, yeah. That's why it's really hard for you when your partner suddenly gone and left you just like that. Okay. Di sini kartu kedua ada Four of Pentacles. Ini kalau memang pasangan kamu mungkin dia itu terobsesi sama uang. Nah, saat kamu tiba-tiba bangkrut atau di PHK, dia nggak bisa handle, dia nggak bisa terima situasi itu, akhirnya dia pergi ninggalin kamu. Atau kalau ini kamu, mungkin kamu punya obsesi terhadap sesuatu, mungkin kamu punya obsesi terhadap pasangan kamu terobsesi dengan pasangan kamu sendiri. Jadi saat dia pergi ninggalin kamu tuh kayak hancur, sedih gitu loh. Ada yang seseorang yang terobsesi di sini terhadap sesuatu atau terhadap seseorang juga, terhadap orang lain. Terobsesinya terhadap orang lain. Saya nggak tahu ini siapa. Ini kan bacaannya sifatnya love reading tapi umum ya. Ya disesuaikan saja dengan situasi yang ada di kamu ya. Oke. The third card is Six of Pentacles. There is no any give and take in here. There is no any equal give and take in here. There is no any equal reciprocity in here. That's why your partner left you out just like that, because they thought, oh, because Libra right now they don't have any job, they don't make any money, they don't earn money, they broke, they got laid off from their company, so how can I live, how can I handle all the daily expense in this household? Maybe they have that kind of thought. I don't want to be work all by myself. Meanwhile, Libra didn't work at all. No, I cannot take that. That's why they leave. Maybe they have that kind of thought and they decide to leave you out because they thought because you don't have any money, because you just got laid off from your company, because you just got fired or laid off from your company, or maybe because you just broke, you don't have money. That's why they don't want to work all by themselves, because they thought that it's not fair for them. So they decide to give you up just like that. They just give up this relationship just like that, and they suddenly move on from you. They suddenly left you out just like that. Okay. Jadi kayak gini, kenapa pasangan kamu pergi ninggalin kamu? Karena saat dia mikir, ini kartu ketiga kamu dapat Six of Pentacles ya. Six of Pentacles ini artinya tidak adanya timbal balik yang imbang antara kamu dengan pasangan kamu. Mungkin dia berpikir gini, pasangan kamu mungkin berpikir, si Libra sekarang nganggur, baru dipecat atau baru di PHK dari perusahaannya, atau baru bangkrut, berarti dia nggak punya duit tuh. Terus yang ngebayar semua kebutuhan harian, kebutuhan bulanan di rumah ini itu siapa? Masa gue doang yang kerja sementara si Libra nggak kerja? Nggak mau gue, nggak adil dong buat gue kalau gue doang yang kerja, si Libra nggak kerja. Kayak gitulah kemungkinan dia punya pemikiran itu, dan akhirnya dia pikir, udah deh, daripada ntar membebankan gue, ngeberatin hidup gue, udah deh gue putus aja, atau gue pergi aja dari hidupnya Libra. Makanya dia memutuskan untuk pergi, ya karena dia punya pikiran tuh kayak gitu. Karena kamu nggak punya duit, makanya dia berpikir bakal tidak ada yang namanya timbal balik di sini yang adil. Jadi dia memutuskan untuk ninggalin kamu gitu aja. Okay. The fourth card is Page of Pentacles. Well, Page of Pentacles here is all about, actually you gave them enough. You gave your partner enough of financial things. Even though you already broke, but you try to give what you have to your partner. But your partner here seems like they don't really respect you, because they thought what you already gave to them is not enough for them. Okay? I don't know, I have that kind of sense like that. That's why I'm trying to tell you like this. Okay? Because maybe your partner younger than you, or maybe if they're not younger than you, if they are in the same age like you, or maybe they're older than you, but they have immature issue. That's why they cannot think as an adult. They just think from their immature perspective. Okay? Nah, di sini ada kartu keempat, ini Page of Pentacles. Sebenarnya sih kamu kasih pasangan kamu tuh keuangan ya cukup sebenarnya. Walaupun kamu lagi bangkrut atau lagi di PHK, nggak punya uang sekalipun, kamu tetap berusaha ngasih pasangan kamu yang terbaik gitu loh, secara keuangan. Tapi memang pasangan kamu aja yang berpikir bahwa nggak cukup nih gitu loh. Karena mungkin pasangan kamu tuh, atau mungkin dia seumuran sama kamu, atau mungkin lebih tua bahkan, tapi dia punya sisi ketidakdewasaan. Jadi karena dia punya karena dia kekanak-kanakan, jadi dia nggak bisa berpikir secara dewasa. Begitu juga saat dia menghadapi situasi kamu dalam hubungan kalian, kamu bangkrut, dia langsung berpikirnya pakai pemikiran kanak-kanaknya dia nggak berpikir secara orang dewasa gitu loh, bahwa yang namanya cinta itu butuh pengorbanan, yang namanya cinta itu kan nggak harus selamanya di atas, nggak harus selamanya enak, ada up and down-nya, ada turun jatuh bangunnya gitu kan. Dan harus, kalau memang kita mencintai seorang, ya kita harus terima, harus siap menghadapi saat-saat dimana kita jatuh bangun gitu loh. Jadi jangan mau di atas terus gitu loh. Kan kalau anak-anak itu kan selalu berpikir enaknya doang. Orang yang sifatnya kekanak-kanakan selalu berpikir enaknya doang, mereka nggak mau dibebankan pada tanggung jawab. Karena karena mereka berpikir seperti anak-anak kan memang tidak diberikan tanggung jawab sama sekali. Yang diberikan tanggung jawab itu adalah orang dewasa kan. Nah, mereka karena berpikirnya seperti anak-anak, makanya mereka belum siap dengan tanggung jawab tersebut, gitu loh. Makanya di sini mereka dengan mudahnya mereka ninggalin kamu begitu aja. Itu masalahnya di sini. Betul, Libra. Okay. Yeah, because they don't think like an adult, they think like a childish. That's why they don't want to take that responsibility of this relationship. They're not ready to take the responsibility of this relationship, because if they thought as a adult, they might be thought that love is all about sacrifice, love is all about responsibility, and in love there will be up and down situation. But yeah, if they thought as an adult, but because they thought as a child is, well, talking about child, talking about kid, they don't take any responsibility because they're not ready to take any responsibility. That's why they think like a kid, they think like a childish person, they don't think like an adult. That's why they think they're not ready to take this responsibility of this relationship, and they're not ready to face up and down situation on this relationship. They just thought everything good, everything smooth. That's what kids always think about, huh? Right? Something like that. Yeah, because they just choose childish, and they don't think as an adult. That's why they're not ready to face this up and down situation. That's why they left you just like that. But don't worry. Don't worry, Libra. The fifth card is a Knight of Pentacles. This person, after they left you out in a cold because of financial situation, they're coming back again, and they change. They have well, it's not a significant change, but they'll change, even though a bit, at least they're changed. They're leveling up, but only one level up, from Page of Pentacles to Knight of Pentacles. I think this is the same person. This Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles, I think this is the same person. It's not a different person. They're returning to your life again after maybe they got some clarity. That's why they're coming back to you again, maybe. Right? Di sini kartu kelima, kamu punya Knight of Pentacles. Nah, kamu nggak usah takut kalau pasangan kamu pergi ninggalin kamu hanya karena kamu tiba-tiba bangkrut. Kenapa? Kalau aku bilang kamu nggak usah takut, karena pasangan kamu balikan lagi ke kamu. Kenapa? Mungkin dia saat dia pergi, dia mungkin dapat semacam pemikiran atau perspektif entah dari mana deh, sambat setan dari mana, dia tiba-tiba dapat pemikiran itu, dan akhirnya dia tergugah tergugah hatinya untuk balikan lagi sama kamu, dan akhirnya ya dia balikan. Saat dia balik, dia memang sudah berubah, tapi nggak signifikan sih berubahnya. Ya paling nggak dia ya ada perubahan lah, walaupun cuma sedikit. Ya mungkin kalau bisa dibilang pakai level, mungkin dia naik satu level dari seorang Page of Pentacles jadi seorang Knight of Pentacles. Naik satu level kan. Aku rasa ini adalah orang yang sama ya. Si Page of Pentacles ini dan Knight of Pentacles ini adalah orang yang sama. Dia balikan lagi sama kamu, balik lagi dalam hidup kamu, dan dia akhirnya ya udahlah, gue siap ngadepin segala situasi bareng sama Allah. Yang penting gue tuh cinta sama Allah, kayak sih gitu kurang lebih. Dia balik karena memang dia cinta, atau mungkin dia balik karena dia nggak bisa menemukan orang sebaik kamu, Libra. Mungkin dia mencari orang lain saat dia putus sama kamu, tapi mungkin dia nggak bisa mendapatkan orang sebaik kamu. Why this person return to your life again, Libra? Maybe first of all they got some clarity, and they realize how good you really are. first. That's the first thing. The second thing is maybe when they broke up with you, they try to find someone else, but they cannot find someone else as good as you. That's why they decide to return into your life again, Libra. Okay? Alright, bottom of the deck. You got King of Cups. This is another shooter in your life, Libra. Yes. I think this King of Cups is for you, not for your partner. You will get two different people who try to approach you. First people is your ex, who left you just like that because you broke. They returning into your life again. That's the first person. The second person is this King of Cups. This King of Cups is more mature, more stable emotionally, stable mentally, and stable in financially. Yeah. And they also quite sincere as a person. They are very lovable, they are very generous, they are very gentle, they are very nice, very kind, warm-hearted person. Actually, they're almost perfect. Okay? This person also approaching you, try to approach you, Libra. You may dealing with water sign people, which is Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces, Origins and Energy. Di sini batu muleknya kamu dapat King of Cups. Nah, ini nih, ada orang baru lagi nih dalam hidup kamu, Libra, yang akan ngedeketin kamu, atau mungkin sudah ngedeketin kamu dari sekarang. Jadi orang ini secara finansial, secara emosional, secara mental dia lebih stabil daripada mantan kamu. Orang ini lebih stabil, dan juga orang ini sebenarnya adalah orang yang baik hatinya, cukup tulus dia orangnya. Dia juga orangnya cukup royal sama duit gitu loh, dan orangnya juga hangat, juga ramah mungkin ya. Dan ya intinya orang ini lebih oke sih daripada mantan kamu ya. Dan kamu di sini mungkin akan berhubungan sama orang-orang dari water sign atau dari elemen air, dimana zodiaknya itu ada Cancer, Pisces, atau Scorpio, atau hanya energi aja. Nah sekarang karena akan ada dua orang di sini yang akan datang dalam hidup kamu, yang akan deketin kamu. Nah ini terserah kamu nih mau milih yang mana. Mau milih mantan kamu yang udah pernah ninggalin kamu dan dia balik lagi, walaupun dia sudah lebih sedikit dewasa, tapi dia belum dewasa itu belum signifikan gitu, belum penuh gitu loh. Atau kamu pilih orang yang memang lebih tua ini, dan walaupun dia lebih tua tapi dia lebih stabil secara emosional, stabil secara finansial, stabil secara mental, dan orangnya juga baik. Terserah kamu milih yang mana, Libra. Karena akan ada dua orang yang akan datangin kamu nih gitu. It's up for you, Libra, which one that you want to choose, because I seeing this in this card, you will get two different people who try to approach you. First person is your ex who already left you out in the cold, and suddenly they return into your life again, and they already changed. They're a little bit grown up, but not too significant. Second person, maybe they're older than you, but they are really stable in financial things. They're also stable in mentally and emotional, and they're also generous, very nice person, very warm-hearted, very friendly. Which one that you want to choose, your ex or this new person? Yeah, which one do you want to choose, your ex or this new person? It depends on you, Libra, because as a human we all have free will, and it's up to you which one you want to use, which one you want to choose. Okay, it's quite interesting, the reading. Okay, I'm going to grounding with this card, but I'm going to clarify with this card, but I'm going to grounding the energy first. Saya akan klarifikasi dari kartu ini, kartu Romance Angel Oracle card, tapi saya akan grounding dulu ya energinya ya. bottom of the deck is separation. Actually, Libra, when I shuffle the deck, you got one bonus card. So I'm going to try to put this in the spread, yeah. Your bonus card is stay optimistic with your love life, right? Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Seems like, playful, flirt, reconcile. Alright, first card, you got children. Your love life is being affected by children. Alright, Libra, maybe this is you and this person have a children, or maybe you have a children from your previous relationship or previous marriage, or your partner may have a children from their previous marriage or previous relationship, or you may dealing with a person that they are younger than you, or maybe they are the same age like you, or maybe they are older than you, but they have immature issue in here, yeah. Or maybe you are being like this, but I think maybe you are younger than them, or maybe you're the one who maybe have the same age like them or older than them, but you have immature issue. But I guess a person who younger and a person who being immature, I guess this is not you, this is the other person that you're dealing with. This is your partner, okay? Di sini ada kartu pertama, kartu children. Mungkin kamu punya anak sama orang ini, sama pasangan kamu yang ninggalin kamu itu, atau mungkin kamu punya anak sama dia, atau mungkin dia punya anak dari pernikahan atau hubungan dia sebelumnya, atau kamu yang punya anak dari hubungan kamu sebelumnya atau dari pernikahan kamu sebelumnya, atau kamu dan entah kamu atau dia ada yang lebih muda, ataupun kalaupun kalian seumuran atau lebih tua, tapi ada yang punya masalah dengan ketidakdewasaan. Aku nggak tahu siapa ini ya. Intinya ya kayaknya sih saya lebih mikirnya tuh, saya lebih sensinya ada yang nggak dewasa di sini. Okay. The second part is stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. See, no matter what happened, Libra, in the past, try to stay optimistic with your love life. Kamu kartu kedua dapat kartu stay optimistic in your love life. Apapun yang kamu hadapi di masa lalu, udah tetap aja optimis, tetapi berpikir positif tentang masa depan kehidupan percintaan kamu. Jadi jangan pernah berpikir negatif gitu. Okay. Third card, reconciliation, like I told you. Someone from your past is returning to your life. They're returning to your life, yes. See, you're going back with your ex, right? Your ex is returning to your life and you're going back with them again. Bener kan kataku, kartu ketiga kamu punya reconciliation. Bener kan kataku, kamu balikan sama mantan kamu. Mantan kamu yang udah ninggalin kamu hanya karena kamu gak punya duit, hanya karena kamu bangkrut. Mantan kamu ini tiba-tiba dia balik dalam hidup kamu dan ngajak kamu balikan, dan yes, kamu balikan sama dia. So ironic, so ironis banget ya. Okay, why you guys getting back together again? This fourth card is answering your question. Playfulness, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. See, they see you as a playful person. That's why they want to returning to your life again. Kenapa sih mantan kamu balikan lagi ke dalam hidup kamu setelah dia ninggalin kamu pas kamu bangkrut? Karena kartu keempat ini nih, kartu playfulness ini. Kartu keempat kamu dapat playfulness ya. Kartu keempat ini menjawab pertanyaan kamu yang tadi. Mantan kamu balikan sama kamu karena dia ngelihat sisi kamu tuh yang playful, seru gitu orangnya. Dan mungkin itu tidak dia dapatkan dari orang lain. Okay? And the fifth card is flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Not just only playful, you guys love to flirting one to another. Jadi bukan hanya playful, bukan hanya seru dan playful aja ya kalian itu kata kelima kamu dapat flirt ya. Kenapa dia balikan sama kamu selain kamu seru dan orangnya playful? Kalian tuh berdua tuh emang senang sering flirting gitu satu sama lain, emang sering goda-godain gitu satu sama lain. Okay, and the bonus card is past life relationship. You have known each other before. Yes, this is your ex-partner that who tried to leave you before because you broke. Maybe you and them already known each other before this life, before you became you and before they became them. Maybe that's why your soul really known, really familiar with their soul, or vice versa, their soul really feel familiar with your soul. Okay, di sini kartu bonusnya ada past life relationship. Kenapa kamu balikan sama dia? Kenapa mantan kamu lebih memilih untuk balikan sama kamu pas kamu bangkrut? Padahal dia tahu kamu lagi bangkrut ya, tapi dia memutuskan untuk balikan lagi sama kamu. Kenapa? Karena sepertinya kalian tuh pernah kenal di masa lalu, di masa sebelum kehidupan ini, sebelum kamu jadi kamu dan sebelum dia jadi dia. Kalian mungkin pernah bersama di kehidupan masa lalu, lalu kalian berdua reinkarnasi di kehidupan sekarang, dan akhirnya kalian ketemu lagi. Makanya jiwa kalian tuh saling terkenal gitu loh, saling merasa nggak asing satu sama lain, karena memang udah pernah kenal di kehidupan masa lalu gitu ya. Okay, bottom of deck is separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Yes, you guys separate before, and then suddenly your ex returning to your life again, right? This is bottom of deck, kamu punya kartu separation. Iya, memang ada separation, ada sesuatu yang putus. Ini terjadi sebelum ini orang atau mantan kamu balikan lagi ke dalam hidup kamu. Setelah kalian putus, makanya dia balikan lagi ke dalam hidup kamu. Ya ini alasannya, karena kamu orangnya seru, karena orangnya memang demen flirting sama dia juga demen flirting sama kamu. Dan yang pasti ini kalian kenal di kehidupan masa lalu, sebelum kamu jadi kamu dan sebelum dia jadi dia. Gitu loh Libra. Oke, saya rasa cukup sampai di sini. Terima kasih telah menonton video saya. Jangan lupa untuk di like, comment, share, subscribe channel saya. Sampai ketemu di bacaan selanjutnya. Dadah. Okay Libra, I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next reading. Bye. Dadah.
Every single day